Hi, what's up guys? This is Alexander Bosko, and today I am going to do an unboxing of the Apple AirPods. And here's the front of the box of showing the AirPods and the Apple logo. AirPods. Apple logo, and this is compatible with iOS 10 or later and watch OS 3 or later and Mac OS Sierra or later. And here's the back of the box, and it shows the case and the AirPods, and this comes with a lightning cable and a charging case for the AirPods. So let's open up the box now. Okay. We got designed by Apple in California when you first open up the box, and nobody reads this stuff, and you could read it if you want to. And here's the AirPods itself. It's covered up in plastic at the moment, and I am going to set that aside. And the last thing we have here is the lightning cable to charge up the case. And I have several of those, so I don't need another one at the moment. And let's set the box aside so we can take a look at the AirPods. And I am not going to talk about the specs because there is so many videos of this product on YouTube. And the case looks nice, but there is one problem with it. It looks like a dental floss case. And another problem with the AirPods is you could lose these so easily, but I am very responsible with my stuff, so I may not have the problem, so yeah. And I am going to do a review within a week or something like that. And so yeah guys, and I will put the specs in the description and the link where to buy it in the description as well. And I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing. And so yeah guys, please remember to subscribe for more Adventure Time plush videos and more gaming videos and more tutorials for Apple devices. Sorry, excuse me. And more unboxings and reviews, and please comment and rate this video, and also please subscribe if you are new to my channel. And so yeah guys, now this will be Alexander Bosko signing off guys, and peace.